have a field where we have to calculate the total distance and the total time taken for a person to run around the field. We have been given inputs where we have been given the lengths of the sides, an angle of 140 degrees and speed, which is 3 meters per second. So using these parameters, we'll have to arrive at total distance and total time. So total distance is nothing but sum of AB, BC, CD and DA. So we have 3 sides. DA size is unknown. So we will have to calculate DA here. Total time would be total distance by speed, which is nothing but 1200 plus DA by 3. Now how do we calculate DA? So DA we can calculate using Pythagoras theorem, because we know that ADP is a right angle triangle. So we can find the length of this hypotenuse, which is nothing but AD. Now how do we get this hypotenuse length? So for that we need to know AP and DP lengths. Let's visualize that there is let's extend this line and extend this horizontal line. So we can see that there is a right angle triangle here, which will completely form a rectangle. Now we know that this is 140 degrees. So this being a straight line, so we will get 40 degrees here, because this entire straight line will be 180 degrees. And now if this is 40 degree and this is right angle, this would be 50 degrees. So we have all 3 angles. We will have to find this particular side and this particular side length. Now how do we do that? We can use sine theta formula. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So let's find sine 40, because sine 40 will give us opposite side, which is nothing but this length. Let's call it as A and let's call this as B. So we get sine theta, that is sine 40, equal to opposite side. Opposite side of this is, say, A. And hypotenuse we know is 400 meters. So which means A is equal to 400 into sine 40. Sine 40 is 0.643. So we get A is equal to 257.2. Similarly, let's find sine 50 degrees, which is nothing but this angle. So we can, using this angle, we can get the length of this side. Say this is B. So sine 50 is B by hypotenuse, which is again 400. So B will be 400 into sine 50, which is nothing but 0.766. This is equivalent to 306.4. So now we have both the sides. This is 257 and this is 306. This is a rectangle. So this would be 306 and this total length. So we know length of AP, which is 607. We know this one. This is 306. So the remaining one, 140 would be. So now, using Pythagoras theorem, we know both these sides. We can calculate the hypotenuse AB square. So which is 144 square plus AP is 607 square. So by further solving this calculations, we will get 624 approximately. Let's substitute 624 in DA here, which is nothing but 1824 meters is the total distance, and here again if you substitute 624, we get 1824 by 3. If we solve this, we will get 608 seconds. If we convert this into minutes, time taken in minutes would be 608 60, which is 10.13 minutes.